Well, guys, we wanted to quit an hour ago. We're at Apache Lake, and they just kept biting. I just got done weighing this one. It's 5'3". So we've got a 6'12", a 5'3", a 5'1", a bunch of 4s and 3s. So it's been a good day. We have caught exactly 40 fish. So we've been wanting to leave. The hotter it got, the better it got. So we're still here at the afternoon. It's 1:30 right now, and we're ready to go. It's getting warm out. Supposed to be 105 today. Caught them on 10-inch worms. We caught them on drop shot, morning dawn. That morning dawn 5150 is working real good with the curly tail. Make sure you dip it. Use your dip. If you're not using that, it's a big plus. All the fish are anywhere from 12 to 25 feet. I used a lot of 10-inch worms. I caught the big one on 10-inch worm today. So we just covered a lot of water. We just covered all the way up here along this steep stuff, the steep rocks and trees and bushes, and it didn't seem to matter. You just got to cover water and just keep throwing to the bank. That's about it. The water temperature is 81 degrees, and we're going home. It's 105. Thanks for watching.